Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you for the last 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Librans in the second half of August. Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. The Strength, the Magician, great. The Page of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Hierophant. Wow, and the Sun. Beautiful reading. Librans. Let's see what's there. What are the messages from this deck? Okay, Three of Diamonds. Guidance from the angels for Librans. Seven of Emotion. Okay. So Librans, there has been a situation in your life since a very, very long time, on which you were wondering and wondering and wondering and not making a move actually. So there is a situation in which you see a potential stability. I am seeing potential because you are not taking any action towards it. Though you know it is stable, though you have feelings for it, though you want it, but you are still wondering and wondering and wondering. So perhaps you did make a small move in that direction, or at least basically the thing is your movement towards this situation or in this direction is so slow that it's good for nothing basically. Okay, and this is happening since a long time. Okay, it's a time at least more than 6 months, maybe more than a year. It's basically what I'm getting here is many years. Okay, so you have something to offer and you're just not offering it, something like that. Okay, so with the Seven of Pentacles, you have many things you want to offer, you want to move ahead, but you're just not moving and you're just waiting and waiting and waiting for God knows what. But you're waiting. You just are not making an effort, you're not moving towards this situation. You're standing there with your offer and not moving towards that situation. Okay, and now here, these are the major cards with the Strength and the Magician. So what I feel here is that you've been waiting for a pretty long time, and now it has there has been a lot of determination in this situation. Okay, you've been dealing with this situation with a lot of patience, with a lot of determination, a lot of courage, dignity, whatever it is. It's been what I'm getting here is it's been taxing your patience. It's been enough. You have put in all your patience in dealing with this situation, this weight, whatever this weight is about, this situation is all about, that you want to move towards but you are not moving basically. And that has been since a long time, and it's now you are dealing with the situation with a lot of courage, lot of strength. It is calling for your inner strength now. It's what I feel here is it's you have dealt with it with a lot of strength, a lot of your inner strength, and you have postponed it for as much as you could. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say, because you had the emotions, you wanted to offer it, or whatever this new beginning was, whatever you wanted to, it was there, but you were not moving, and you just you've put in all your efforts to postpone it as much as you could, and it has really taxed your patience basically. And now with the Magician and the Page of Cups, now I think you are ready for a new beginning. You are ready for the new beginning, and now you want to move towards it, and that is what you are doing. Because whatever, maybe now you have the strength to move towards it. It can be that. So whatever the reason was that you were not taking any action towards it, you were not moving, you were just wondering, and you were not moving in that direction, now perhaps you have the strength also. So it has, this situation has required a lot of, taxed you a lot, and you've been postponing it as much as you could. Maybe perhaps because you didn't have the courage to move in that direction, whatever it was. Maybe you didn't have the resources, maybe you didn't have the courage, and now perhaps you have developed that much of strength within yourself, or mustered that much of courage within yourself, that now you, and you have, perhaps you wanted some resources, perhaps you wanted to work on yourself, whatever it was. But you, now you have the strength, that's what I'm getting, to take that action of moving towards that situation. With the Page of Cups, this is something which you're offering your love now. Okay, and this is something which has infinite possibilities. Okay, this is something which, you know, this you have, it is all about infinity. That means it is a connection which has been there, which has which is limitless. You know, this opportunity or this connection, whatever the situation is in your life, it has limitless possibilities or limitless potential. Okay, because here with the Strength and with the Magician, we have that infinity symbol on the head of both consecutively. So what, consecutively these cards are lying there. So what I am getting here is that it is a connection or the opportunity, whatever it is, which has infinite or limitless potential. That's what you feel, and now you have gathered that strength to make a move basically, because perhaps now you are ready with the resources, perhaps you have developed that much of strength, perhaps you are ready now, whatever it is, and now that is what you are now making a move and offering your emotions or your, that is the first move which was stagnant over here. Now this is the move which you are making, and here with the Six of Wands and the Hierophant and the Sun card. So this is what you are doing with the, once you are offering, once you are into this new beginning, once you are offering, you're showing up your emotions, you are feeling very happy, you are victorious, and with the Hierophant you are committing. This is commitment, and which is leading to happiness. So ultimately there is a long-term connection or a long-term stability. There's a connection over here, stability, and maybe even a marriage. That's what I'm trying to say. So there is a decision which you have been postponing and postponing for as much time as you could. Perhaps you didn't have the strength to move in that direction, and now you have developed that much of strength for whatever reason it was, and this is how you're opening up now, showing your emotions, and you are pretty victorious in this. You are happy, commitment is coming in, you are committing, you are making a commitment over here which is making you happy. And here with the Three of Diamond, it is about public admiration. So maybe somebody is definitely admiring you, perhaps for whatever you are achieving over here, new beginnings, their happiness, the strength which you are developing to do this beginning or to make this happen. Seven of Emotion, your angels are asking you to make an important decision that you've been putting off. That's what I was saying. It's likely you know which choice you should make, but you are procrastinating so you don't upset someone else. Ask the heaven for guidance and then make the choice that celebrates who you truly are. So maybe there is a decision. As I said, there is something which is there in your life which towards which you want to move, but you're just not moving, and it's been a pretty long time. Maybe you are postponing it till you could postpone it, and now you have, or perhaps you have now developed that courage or that strength to open up, or now you're ready for it, whatever it is, and now you're making a move. Okay, and this is something which now you are choosing your happiness. You are ready for this happiness now. You have now developed that strength or courage, whatever it is, and this is you are opening up towards this connection With the Hierophant, it is commitment, definitely, which is causing you, which is making this connection happy or making you happy. Okay, so this is a decision, a long pending decision, which now you are making, Librans. I just hope it helps, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so I just hope it helps, and thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.